DNA is nucleic acid that contains the sugar Deoxyribose. Did you know that it contains units called nucleotides? They are so cool. Each nucleotide has 3 parts. One is a phosphate group, another is a nitrogen base, and the last part is deoxyribose, a 5-carbon sugar. In order to live and survive, the parents' DNA divide, and each cell collides to make a new person alive. DNA makes everyone unique, so for the next generation, replicate your DNA by using your polymerase. It'll make a perfect copy and make sure there are no mistakes. Replicate your DNA to keep the population going. In each double helix, there are 4 nitrogen bases: Guanine and Cytosine, Adenine and Thymine. They are held up by